Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to factory reset your iPhone 16 Pro and it is everything in 2024. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to settings on your iPhone, but before proceeding, make sure that you have transferred all of your data on your iPhone to another desktop or another device, because if you erase everything from your iPhone, it will delete everything and it won't be able to back up your data again. So now let's move forward to factory reset your iPhone. You have to tap on the general, then go to the bottom. Here you can see transfer or reset iPhone option. Tap onto it, and here you can see the second blue text called erase all content and settings. You just have to simply press onto it, and then you have to tap on to continue, and then tap on it as iPhone. It may ask for your face ID or passcode. Enter your face ID or passcode if prompted, and then tap onto this erase iPhone option and it will delete everything. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.